Welcome to vlog 79, kids! Totally joking around with this intro, by the way. It's time for the rock... It's time for the rock recap. Well, today, We Came as Romans just released their new song. It's called, To Move On Is To Grow. And I can't wait for the new album. I'll put that at the end of the video. I look kinda evil, don't I? Okay. I'm fucking around with iMovie today because I think it'd be a cool, change from normal. Hang on, let me put my hair in a ponytail so you can see my entire face. Guy that looks fucking creepy. Alright, today I took all the posters, well not all of them, but most of the posters off my wall. I feel like I need a change because I've had all these posters on my wall for years and some of the bands I don't even like anymore. I'm going to put footage of me taking all the posters down because I wanted you to see a before and after. I've been sleeping on stones. Guess what, guys? I got iLife 2011, so my vlogs will be twice as epic as they already are. Stay tuned. You.